Have you put the time in learning the trade of welding, fabricating, ironworking, and now you really got the drive and the passion to want to do it independently and do it for yourself and quit your job and start your own business? But you just don't know how to get started. You don't know how to get everything established, your EIN, your LLC, how to build your clients up, and how to start a brand and actually get the ball rolling. If that's you and that's what you want to learn, I got an independent welding seminar that I'm teaching in the area of Phoenix. It's only $25 a seat. $25 a seat is what I normally would charge $150 for on a consultation visit. So for you paying $25, you can come down and sit amongst us and get all of this information you need to start your independent business, to be stronger, and also to become in a union of other independent welders who also want to do the same thing. So now you got a backbone of strength. If that's you, give me a call, 480-430-6591, or email us at hogonwelding@gmail.com. The seminar is coming to the Phoenix area very soon. And if you want to get involved in it, sign up.